Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting repair now. First, check Windows Update and confirm you're on a supported Windows 11 build. Make sure you're signed in with an admin account so tools can write to the system. This avoids permission failures. Once done, turn off third-party antivirus or VPN because they often block store services. Next, open Settings and then Apps. This begins the actual repair flow. Do this immediately, so later steps act on current system state and not an outdated configuration. Now you'll run the core fixes. First, reset the store from app settings. That clears cache and most corrupt settings. If that fails, open PowerShell as admin and re-register or reinstall the store package. This restores missing app files. After that, run WS reset, exe to flush remaining cache entries. Make sure store-related services such as Windows Update and Microsoft Store Install Service are running. If stopped, start them. These steps repair files and service dependencies so the store can launch reliably. Finish up by installing any pending Windows updates and rebooting. Many fixes require a restart to take effect. Once rebooted, sign into your account and test the store. If problems persist, create a new local admin account to confirm whether it's a profile issue. If that still fails, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system components, then re-attempt reinstallation steps. Troubleshooting tip. If store won't open after all this, note error codes and run the Windows troubleshooter while recording exact messages for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.